You know, I had a professor at University of Georgia tell me back in 2006 that it's not the grades you make, it's the hands you shake. You probably have heard that cliche, but it's so true. And here at Willies at Akins, we know the importance of networking and the connections and friendships and relationships that are formed. I know that as well, y'all. I took that to heart from way back in the day, and know from seeing, you know, my dad own his own business growing up, that it's all about the relationships and how well we take care of our customers every single time. So we have a truck hero Ford Bronco behind us that was a SEMA build that we essentially gave them a Akins Ford Bronco to do their own build with. And Truck Hero, a side note, they own so many major players in the industry. Ant Research, ARE, Auto Vent Shade, Backflip, Back Rack, Bed Rug, Bushwhacker, X-Tang, Husky Liner, Lund, Infab, Roll and Lock, Rugged Liner, Havoc, Super Lift, Truxedo, and Undercover, just to name a few. So a phenomenal company, and their headquarters for Lund is right here, not too far from us in the Atlanta area. So the partnership and relationship we have with them has been huge for us. We gave them this Bronco to build for SEMA. It was at SEMA. Here's some cool shots of that. And then we got the vehicle back, and then our great customer Brandt Bentley bought this one, and we were able to do some more modifications. So enough of all that, let's review. So here we go, a 2021 Akins Ford Bronco. I mean, this bad boy is the pinnacle of our Apex Edition lineup. And first off, as I mentioned, Lund, Super Lift, Truxedo, Truck Hero, whatever you want to define them as, took this bad boy, and Doc, a great guy in itself, took the lead on this one. And this is a 6-inch Super Lift prototype lift kit. I mean, I don't know if there's any more of these out in the country, just like some of the other accessories on this as well. But a 6-inch foundational lift kit makes it an Apex Edition package, and then did some Havoc off-road components on it, as well as auto vent shade, front deflector there with the Raptor lights installed there too, and some more protective coverings on the side. Rigid lights up on the A-pillar that we incorporated and added. Some of the things we also added was the Bronco script on the side that we did in that orange color to match the wheel. I think that looks phenomenal. And we are on, speaking of the wheels, we're on 40, 13.5, 17 Nitto Trail Grapper, that true mud terrain tire that you know Real Deal loves. I mean, I love it. I've got it on the Indoraptor and Can-Am and the wife's Bronco as well. So I love the Trail Grapper, a great mud terrain tire that has good characteristics on road and off road, ride quality, and overall traction and grip, y'all. So I love that. Did the nice tow hooks that we powder coated in the same color as well, just to flow with the overall build. And talking about that rare lift kit from Super Lift, be on the lookout for this one coming to market here momentarily, as well as other components from Havoc and Auto Vent Shade. Well, the carbonized gray is a great color, and accenting it with these orange accent, to me, it just pops. It has a great look to it. A black diamond is how this started off as far as the base package from Ford. Did some nice step bars as well from Infab, and that's just a tried and true step bar that you can expect from a great company. It had the fender delete. We wanted to incorporate just a little bit more side protection, so we did the factory non-Sasquatch fenders and had those painted carbonized gray, and also did a nice paint job on the rear Bronco, and did some Baja Design lights inside the Havoc bumper, a custom emblem combo to match out back too. The Black Rhino wheel, this is a true beadlock wheel. Just wanted to showcase, it wasn't our build, but it's our vehicle here at Akins, and then we just did some things to complement it and just take it to the next level. So Brandt Bentley, a great customer of ours, has done many builds with us throughout the years, and just a great overall guy. That's what it's all about too, as I mentioned, just the networking and relationships that we form here enables us to do great things with other companies, and just you the customer is the direct benefit from that. So just wanted to show you guys this today, a Apex Edition, our biggest Bronco to date, and we got many more Broncos coming to you soon. So stay tuned, y'all. Hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay positive, and Real Deal's gonna stay kicking it.